Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to explain solutions of numerical problems for the chapter refraction of light at curved surfaces in the 10th class physics. It is a part 2 video. So in the previous video we explained solutions of some numerical problems. So now remaining problem students, try this question number 10th one, page number 84. So a convex-concave lens is a given having radius like one radius is r, another one is double the first one, that is r1 is r, r2 is r. So as a convex concave lens, so r1 is from sign convention is taken as plus r and r2 is also plus 2r. 2r is taken why? Because so one of the radii is double the other, that is why. So one is taken as r, another one is 2r. From sign convention both are positive. So refractive index is 1.5 given, focal length 24 centimeter. Now we want to find, so what is r1 value, what is r2 value for this convex or concave lens students. So here we use a lens maker's formula. 1 by f is equals to n minus 1 of 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So substituting these values, 1 by 24 is equals to 1.5 minus 1 into 1 by r minus 1 by 2r. 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5, that is 1 by 24 is equals to 0.5 into, so simplification by taking LCM students. So 1 by 24 is equals to 1 by 2, that is r by r into 2r, r get cancelled. So 1 by 24 is equals to 1 by 4r. So cancellation, 4 1s 4 6, then 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by r is 6, that is r1 is r, that is why r1 is 6 centimeter, r2 is 2r, that is 2 into 6, that is 12 centimeter. That is the solution for that problem. Now example 7 in the page number 82 students. So a double concave lens is given with the radius 30 centimeter and 60 centimeter. From sign convention r1 is minus 30 and r2 is plus 60. Refractive index of this lens is also given 1.5. We want to find focal length. So using lens maker's formula, again substituting the values as in the previous problem. So 1 by f is equals to, that is 1.5 minus 1 of 1 by minus 30 minus 1 by 60. So 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5. So 1 by f is equals to 0.5. And taking LCM students, 60 minus 2 minus 1 by 60, that is 0.5 means 1 by 2 minus 3 by 60, that is 3 1s 3 20s, that is 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 20. So 1 by f is equals to minus 1 by 40, but we want focal length f, that is why 1 by f is written as f by 1. This will be equal to minus 40 by 1, which is equal to minus 40 centimeter students. So it is minus 40 centimeter. So focal length for concave lens is minus 40 centimeter. From sign convention also focal length for concave lens is minus 40 centimeter. So now we are taking one more problem, that is example 6 in the page number example 6 in the page number 79 students. In the page number 79, what is the problem? So problem is, we want to find the distance from lens to object to get the image of object as a point sized image on the screen. So you can see, so between the screen and object O, a lens is placed. So to get the image of object O as a point sized image on the screen, so what is the distance between the lens and the object O we want to calculate. If the distance between object and the screen is 1 meter, so in the problem 1 meter is given. So distance between the lens and object is x. Distance is distance between object and the screen is taken as a d, which is given in the problem 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Focal length of the lens is given in the problem 21 centimeter. So from sign convention students, object distance u is minus x and image distance you can see, when the distance between O and screen is d, then distance from lens to screen will be d minus x, because lens to object is x, that is from sign convention v is d minus x. So now using lens formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So substituting these values, 1 by 21 is equals to 1 by d minus x plus 1 by x. So simplification by taking LCM, students. 1 by 21 is equals to d by dx minus x square, but d is a given now. Now substitute the d value. So x square minus 100x plus 2100 equal to 0. Now factors, students. For 2100 we can write as a 70 into 30. Minus 100x can be written as minus 70x minus 30x. So now by simplifying, so we can get x is equals to 70 centimeter and x is equals to 30 centimeter. So by placing the object from the lens at 70 centimeter or 30 centimeter, we can get sharp pointed image on the screen. So this is the solution for it, students. Now, so we are taking textual blank number 4. A plano convex lens is a given, students. A plano convex lens. So plano convex lens, you know, one side plane, another one is convex, another side is convex nature. So convex nature R1 is R given, R2 is plane means infinity, students, and focal length of the lens is a given, that is 2 times its radius. So focal length of this plano convex lens is a given 2 times the radius, and from sign convention R1 is plus R and R2 is a infinity because it is a plane. One side is a plane, one side is a convex. So that is from sign convention minus infinity is written. Now we want to find refractive index. N is question mark. So R1, R2, F and N. Relation among these quantities can be done by using lens maker's formula. So 1 by F is equals to N minus 1 of 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So F means 2R. So 1 by 2R is equals to N minus 1. 1 by R1 means 1 by R minus 1 by R2, that is R2 is minus infinity, that is why minus minus plus 1 by infinity. 1 by 2R is equals to N minus 1. 1 by R plus 1 by infinity means 0. 1 by R plus 0 means 1 by R. So R will be cancelled. Now we can get N minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. Then N is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 by 2. That is N is equals to 1.5, students. So this is the solution for this problem. So you can see clearly from 10th problem solution to this is example 7 problem, students, and this is example 6th problem and blank 4 solutions. So while practicing, see the video and you can practice, you can understand better. So that's all the solutions of numerical problems in this lesson in the part 2 video. Thank you, students.